Can the world's strongest man break out of handcuffs? First, we're gonna start with duct tape and work our way up to police-grade handcuffs. Pink handcuffs, go!
How's he making it look so easy?
You guys see my pink handcuff?
Finally, police-grade handcuffs. These handcuffs can withstand 500 pounds of force, which is 10 times more than the average person can exert. Go!
Whoa, he's kind of hot.
Is it possible to wear 100 shirts at a time? 1 shirt, 5 shirts, 10 shirts, 25 shirts.
It's getting tight.
50 shirts.
Dang! I'm almost as big as Alex!
Wait. Subscribe if you guys want to see him in 100 shirts.
Is it possible to break an apple with your bare hands? To test this, I found the strongest people I know.
Let me try. Move! Jesus.
It's impossible!
If I show you how to do it, everyone watching has to subscribe. Subscribe.
10, 25, 50, 100, 250.
If he can make it all the way through, you have to subscribe.
Subscribe!
1 layer. 10 layers. 25 layers. 50 layers. 100 layers. 250 layers.
If this tank can hold your weight, everyone watching has to subscribe.
Subscribe. The world's strongest slap.
Level 1. Level 5. Level 50. Level 100. Level 1000. Level infinity. If I can slap this head off, you guys have to slap that subscribe button.
Don't kick the fake soccer ball. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go! 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Like if he should kick this soccer ball, and subscribe if he should kick this one. Go!
Everyone watching has to pop that subscribe button.
Subscribe!
Raise your hand. Ronaldo or LeBron?
LeBron!
What? Pick a number 1 through 10. Oh. Take off your shirt.
Damn, Alex.
Say the first thing that comes to your mind.
Subscribe! I'm locking in at 200 mil! I'll be reading the comments! Y'all better subscribe!